Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup with WordPress media library exports, full guide step by step clearly. To backup your WordPress media library, start by logging into your WordPress dashboard. Navigate to the media section on the left-hand sidebar. Click on Library to view all your uploaded media files. In the top right corner, you will see the Export option. Select Export to initiate the media library export process. A new screen will open with different export options. Choose the file types you wish to backup, such as images, videos, or documents. Once you've selected the desired file types, click on the Download button. The export process will begin, and your selected files will be zipped into a single file. Wait for the download to complete, which may take a few minutes depending on the size of your media library. When the download is finished, locate the zipped file in your device's Downloads folder. Extract the contents of the zipped file to easily access your media files. Ensure all the files are present and organized properly for easy retrieval. For an additional layer of security, consider storing the backup in a cloud storage solution. This makes it easier to restore your media files if needed in the future. Regular backups will help ensure your media library is safe from data loss. Remember to set a schedule for backing up your media library routinely. This proactive approach helps maintain your WordPress site's integrity. By following these steps, you'll be able to back up your WordPress media library effectively. Stay organized and ensure your media is always protected. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.